Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Amazon app not working on your Android phone. If your Amazon shopping application is not working on your Android device, then there might be several reasons for that. Simply keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If your Amazon shopping application is not working on your Android device, then the first thing to do is to check your internet connection. Check if you are connected to a stable internet or not. Turn on your Wi-Fi or your cellular data, or you can also switch between them to find the best internet connection. Once you have a stable internet connection, open up your Play Store. Once you open up Play Store, go to the search box and type in Amazon in the search box. Once you find the application that says Amazon Shopping, check if there is an update button available right next to the app. If there is, tap on the update button to download the latest version of Amazon Shopping application for your Android. Once you've got the latest updates for your application, you can now open up your Amazon Shopping app and see if that fixes the issue. If it still doesn't work, the next thing to do is to clear your app's cache. Open up Settings menu from your Android, and from the Settings menu, tap on App. Tap on the Amazon Shopping application, which will open up the app info. Now, tap on Storage from the app info page. Tap on Clear Cache at the bottom right to clear out your cache data. Once you are done, go and open up your Amazon Shopping application again and see if that fixes the issue. If that still doesn't work, you can simply uninstall the application. Press Hold Amazon Shopping application from the app drawer and tap on Uninstall. Tap OK in the pop-up to uninstall your application, which will only take a few seconds. Once the application is uninstalled, go back to your Play Store and re-download the application again. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to fix your issue. Those were some of the easiest fixes you could try whenever your Amazon application is not working on your Android. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.